Welcome back. So the equity market continues to put a fight back thanks to the fact that it's Thursday, so weekly expiry is playing out. Let's find out what's happening with the rupee market and the bond market actually as well. How have the money markets received this gift of 50% tariff from the US of A? Lata is here with the details. Lata?
Well, in the equity markets, it fought back. There never was a fight in the rupee market, which is the surprise. The currency has been fairly stable. It's all of a 9 pice movement, 87.67 to 87.76 was all that the currency has moved. Extremely ranged. The trader chatter is that Reserve Bank was there at the beginning, and it again showed its face when it went to 87.76. That's the high of the day for the dollar. But it wasn't as if there was so much of a hungry demand for dollars that, that rocked the market. One would expect that with such a big tariff announcement. The market probably believes, again, like a taco trade, that something will happen within the 21 days. And so you don't need to come and burn your fingers. Also, there is a lot of expectation that the upcoming meeting with Putin might, lead to some kind of a outcome which may postpone or completely do away with these tariff threats. The other point in favor of the currency is that it has already fallen. The rupee has been the worst performing currency. All of July, it's fallen by over 2%. When we started in July, it was like 85.6 or something. So, it's traveled a goodish bit. Therefore, the bad news is in the price, according to some of the traders. If it definitely does, pan out to be much worse, then it will cross 88. Otherwise, 88 is a fairly important resistance for the dollar. It won't be able to cross beyond that. There is, of course, a hit to the calculations about the hit to the current account deficit are there. About 0.2% current account deficit can rise if this 50% persists for a bit. GDP can take a hit of 0.5% if it persists. But everything is if it persists. That's not at the moment the bottom line, the base case belief of the market.
Got that. Thank you very much for that. Ajay Tyagi, Head of Equity